Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Kajabi site to improve course sales pages. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Kajabi account. Navigate to the dashboard to access your site settings. Select the website option from the left-hand menu. Choose pages to view all your existing course sales pages. Identify the specific course sales page you want to update. Click on the page title to open the editing interface. Review the overall design of your current sales page. Consider the layout and how it presents your course content. Make adjustments to the text for clarity and engagement. Incorporate compelling headlines that capture attention. Update images or videos to make the page visually appealing. Ensure that all multimedia elements are high quality and relevant. Add testimonials or success stories to build trust with potential buyers. Include clear calls to action throughout the page. Highlight the benefits of your course and what sets it apart. Check for any broken links or outdated information. Utilize Kajabi's analytics to understand visitor behavior on this page. Make data-driven decisions about what content to include or remove. Optimize your sales page for mobile users, ensuring a responsive design. Adjust fonts and color schemes for consistency with your branding. Preview the page to see how changes will appear to your audience. Make any final tweaks based on your preview review. Once satisfied, save your changes and republish the page. Monitor the page's performance following the updates. Continue to iterate and improve based on user feedback and analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.